how to fix GCash borrow limit or an increased streak. If you've been using GCash for a while and you want to increase the limit for your GLoan, which you've been getting it, in order to fix, or maybe rather I would say increase your GCash's borrow limit, GLoan or also known as GCredit, you must demonstrate responsible financial behavior and increased activity within the app. As you cannot directly request a limit increase, GCash automatically reviews user profiles and notifies eligible users of an upgrade. And basically some of the factors are to pay your dues on time, to increase GCash activity like paying bills, buying or sending money, shopping and paying via the QR, and maintaining an active wallet balance. Also utilizing other financial products, linking external accounts like your bank accounts, and ensuring full verification and keeping your app updated as well. So hopefully some of these may have helped you understand as to how you can increase your borrow limit on GCash. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon as always in the next video.